Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Technology is constantly evolving, and industries worldwide are feeling its transformative power. From automation to artificial intelligence, new technologies are shaping the way we work, produce, and deliver services. In today's video, we'll explore 17 cutting-edge technological advancements that are driving the next industrial revolution and helping businesses thrive in the modern age. Let's dive into the details. AI is transforming industries by enabling machines to analyze massive amounts of data, make predictions, and automate decision-making processes. In sectors like healthcare, finance, and marketing, AI-powered tools help businesses optimize strategies and improve outcomes by delivering insights faster than humans ever could. This accelerates innovation and growth across industries. 3D printing technology is revolutionizing the manufacturing process by allowing businesses to create prototypes and finished products quickly and cost-effectively. This innovation reduces production time, waste, and costs, enabling companies to rapidly adapt to customer demands and market trends, thus fostering business growth. Blockchain's decentralized ledger system is transforming industries such as finance, supply chain, and healthcare by improving data security, transparency, and traceability. Businesses can now securely manage transactions, track products, and protect sensitive information, all while reducing costs and increasing trust between stakeholders. The IoT is changing how industries operate by connecting devices, sensors, and machinery to collect and analyze real-time data. In agriculture, manufacturing, and logistics, IoT-enabled systems help optimize processes, reduce downtime, and increase efficiency. With smarter operations, businesses can scale more effectively and meet the growing demands of their industries. Advanced robotics are playing a crucial role in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and construction. Robots can perform repetitive tasks with high precision and at a faster pace than humans, reducing errors and increasing productivity. By automating labor-intensive jobs, businesses can lower costs and expand their operations. Cloud computing allows businesses to store, manage, and process data on remote servers, offering scalability and flexibility that were once unimaginable. This technology enables companies to access vast computing power without needing extensive physical infrastructure. With cloud services, businesses can rapidly expand their digital presence and scale their operations globally. Big data analytics tools are helping industries make sense of vast amounts of data. By analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency, businesses can make more informed decisions that drive growth. From marketing to product development, big data helps companies stay ahead of the competition and meet evolving consumer needs. Drones are transforming industries such as agriculture, logistics, and construction by offering new ways to monitor, survey, and deliver goods. In agriculture, drones are used for crop monitoring and precision spraying, while in logistics, they offer faster delivery solutions. These innovations enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and allow businesses to scale operations more rapidly. VR and AR technologies are increasingly being used for training and customer engagement. In industries like retail, real estate, and manufacturing, these technologies allow customers to visualize products in a virtual environment before purchasing, while employees can be trained in simulated scenarios, reducing risks and costs associated with real-world training. Automation is transforming the supply chain by optimizing inventory management, streamlining transportation, and reducing human errors. Automated warehouses, robotic packing systems, and AI-powered logistics software help companies improve delivery times and reduce costs, leading to more efficient and profitable operations. 5G technology is changing how industries operate by offering faster internet speeds and more reliable connections. In sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and telecommunications, 5G enables real-time data transfer, supports IoT devices, and improves the functionality of automated systems. Businesses can now operate more efficiently, collaborate seamlessly, and deliver services faster than ever. As businesses rely more on digital infrastructure, the need for robust cybersecurity measures is critical. Advanced technologies such as AI-driven threat detection and blockchain-based encryption are helping companies secure their data and protect against cyber attacks. Enhanced security allows businesses to operate confidently and grow without the fear of digital threats. Autonomous vehicles are set to transform the transportation and logistics industries by reducing human error, improving fuel efficiency, and lowering labor costs. From self-driving trucks to automated delivery vehicles, these technologies promise to increase operational efficiency and reduce transportation costs for businesses, leading to greater profitability. Biotechnology is making waves in healthcare and agriculture, with innovations such as gene editing, bioengineering, and synthetic biology. In healthcare, biotech advancements are enabling the development of personalized treatments, while in agriculture, genetically modified crops are helping improve yields and resistance to pests. These technologies are driving growth and sustainability in both sectors. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize industries by solving complex problems that are currently impossible for classical computers to handle. From drug discovery to financial modeling, quantum computing will enable businesses to tackle large-scale challenges with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This breakthrough technology will unlock new opportunities for growth across many sectors. Sustainability is becoming a priority for businesses, and new technologies are helping industries reduce their environmental impact. Renewable energy sources, energy-efficient machinery, and waste reduction technologies allow companies to operate more sustainably while growing their operations. Sustainable technologies are not only good for the planet but also attract environmentally conscious customers, driving business growth. Nanotechnology is impacting industries by creating materials with enhanced properties, such as strength, durability, and conductivity. In medicine, nanotechnology is being used for drug delivery systems and advanced diagnostics, leading to more effective treatments. By improving product quality and performance, nanotechnology is enabling businesses to innovate and grow in competitive markets. Thanks for tuning in to SAM Official Tech. As you can see, technology is transforming industries in profound ways, enabling businesses to grow, innovate, and thrive in the modern world. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos on the latest technological trends shaping the world. Stay tuned for more exciting content from SAM Official Tech.